Is that your friend, Hippo?
All about nice butt today. Come here, let me get a little taste of your butt.
I wonder if, like, if you bring this dog into
Whoa. If you what?
I always forget it's a girl. So, like,
Yeah.
Because she's a cut out of steel.
oh, yeah. Looking toes, too? Maggie does that.
You in my butt? No, in your butt.
Belly slap. Kind of a paw. Nope.
Just making yourself welcome. Oh my goodness.
You're in the runway. So how come a guy is 160 and he's out a 400-pound guy?
Because muscle